Hey guys, I wanted to show you something cool I did for fun. First off, I have to say that I'm not a 3D artist, but anyway, I'm quite happy with the end result. I wanted to try something using the Occipital Structure Sensor and the Valve Index headset. Therefore, I thought it might be interesting to try to 3D scan my home office and then bring it into the VR world. In order to get accurate 3D measurements of my office, I 3D scanned the space with the structure sensor and then I 3D modeled everything from scratch with Blender. There you can see the end result with the baked illumination. And then finally I imported the 3D model of my office into Valve's Hammer editor. The textures do look bad, but the only reason is because I baked the whole thing into one single mesh object. So they are kind of low resolution, but anyway, I'm quite happy with the level of immersion. For a comparison, let me show you how the real office looks using the cool 3D room view feature. As you can see, the real and the virtual world match pretty closely. Finally, to make the scene a little bit more interesting, I played with the illumination and added a physics-based door. So check this out.